Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to verify a Google Ads account and then verify its domain as well. So the first thing you need to do is open up your Google Ads website, and after that just go here to sign in and sign into your account. So after you sign in, this homepage of Google Ads will open up. So after that just go to the admin section here, and after you go to the admin section, you'll be able to see the access and security option here. So after you click here, you'll be able to see a plus option here. Just click on it. And after that, you'll see a page like this on your screen. So just fill up the required information here, like the email address and other stuffs that is required to access the Gmail or Google Ads account that you are trying to add. So that's it with the video, guys. I hope it helps you. Thanks for watching and take care.